Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get rid of unclogged pores and remove dead skin from my face to end up with nice, smooth, baby soft skin. So my skin is pretty oily and my pores on my nose and cheeks are very clogged. And if you're wondering what those shiny circle spots on my face are, they're acne patches to kind of protect my pimples from the razor and to also help get rid of them because they need to go. I use an eyebrow razor that I got from Walgreens. This was $1 and this is a little bit longer than an average eyebrow razor. You can use any type of eyebrow razor, just don't use the type of razors that you would use on your body. If this is your first time dermaplaning, I would suggest to go downwards your whole entire face just because you can cut yourself and cause scarring on your face. So another benefit of dermaplaning is that it helped remove my acne scars. I used to have a lot of acne scars on my cheeks, my forehead, and on my chin. And I have been dermaplaning since last year and I've seen a huge difference with how much it has faded my acne scars. So this is what my razor looks like from shaving one side of my face, and what I use to clean my razor are these Acne Pads from OXY. Highly recommend if you do have oily skin to use these pads. Some people use towels or napkins to clean their razors, but I find that using the Acne Pads is a little bit more sanitary. So this is what my pad looks like. It looks much better than the first time I dermaplaned my face. Now I'm taking the Garnier Skin Active micellar water just to cleanse my face. So that is how I dermaplan my face. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.